when these lily pads are in bloom, and I think that they are lotus. I could definitely be wrong on that. Man, they're beautiful. It's morning time. I think it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. There is a lot of traffic around, so not sure if you're able to see it, hear it. I mean, I know you're able to see it. But if you're able to hear it and how loud you're able to hear it is going to be a testament to how my mic is doing. Also, there is some wind as well, so that'll also be a testament to my mic. And the little diffuser that I have on the end of it, I think that's what you call it. Maybe it's not. Just making up words like I know what I'm doing. And I definitely don't. But this is a very nice little area that I like to walk through. And again, when I got here in April, there were still some of the lotuses blooming on the lily pad, if that's indeed what they are, lotuses. And these flowers here were in full bloom. Now, there's always something in bloom here in Dalat, is my understanding. It is temperate year-round. Really a beautiful city, as you will hopefully see in my videos. As you can see, there's kind of quite a wind blowing. Maybe you can see it. I have not been to this place here, this Bun Ba Koi. Boy, I know I butchered that. But it looks pretty cool inside. It's always busy. So if somebody likes it. I think what we'll do here is cross over. We're about a 15-minute walk at this point from the city center. And boom. Here we go. We got it. Boom. Thank you. Come on. You gotta help me through the traffic. And Coffee Life. Probably a good place. All the coffee places here are really good. I say all of them. There's a ton of really good ones here.